In the diagram, P, Q, R, and X are points on the circle with center O. Angle PQR is equal to 104 degrees. Find angle POR. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The question wants us to find angle POR, so we are looking for this angle here. Let's join point P to point R to get the chord PR. One of the theorems of a circle is that in a circle, the sum of the angles a chord subtends at the circumference of opposite segments of the circle is equal to 180 degrees. In this circle, the chord PR, which we have just created, subtends the angle PSR in this segment of the circle, and also subtends the angle PQR at point Q in this segment of the circle. When we add these two angles, we will have 180 degrees. So it means that angle PSR, which is the angle at point X, plus angle PQR, which is the 104 degree angle we have here, will give us 180 degrees. We already know that angle PQR is 104 degrees, so angle PSR plus 104 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This will give us angle PSR is equal to 180 degrees minus 104 degrees. And this will give us 76 degrees. So the value of angle PSR, that is the angle at point X here, is 76 degrees. Remember, we are looking for angle POR. Another theorem of a circle is that the angle a chord subtends at the center of a circle is twice the angle it subtends at the circumference of the circle. So it means that the angle that the chord PR subtends at the center is equal to 2 times the angle that the chord PR subtends at the circumference. So angle POR is equal to 2 times angle PSR. We have found out that the value of angle PSR is 76 degrees. So angle POR will be equal to 2 times 76 degrees. 2 times 76 degrees will give us 152 degrees. So the value of angle POR is 152 degrees. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.